Hi guys, so today I'm doing something a little bit different and I am going go-karting. So with the Formula Woman finalist newsletter, they told us that to get some good practice in, such as sim work, track stuff, but also karting, which is where I've lacked in the past compared to the other girls. So I thought I'll take the step and go and have a full karting day with a coach to see how I get on. So it is currently literally 0 degrees, as you can tell by my nose being really red. So it's going to be a chilly one, but hopefully we'll learn a lot and catch up with everyone else on the karting side, because it's a good cost-effective way of learning and learning things like racing lines as well that you can still apply to cars. So let's go. So first thing we're doing with the coach is doing a track walk to seeing what the grip's like, because it's very icy this morning. Also just learning where the camber is, any bumps, pieces like that as well. It's freezing, so I'm keeping my coat on as long as possible, but ready to go. So this is a car I'm driving today, and it is an X30 125cc 30 brake horsepower. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but obviously if you're into your karts, you know that this thing is going to be super speedy and a great introduction to getting me going. So let's see how we get on. So that's the first couple of sessions done. In between the first one, we had to warm up in the car because it's still freezing, as you can tell by my little red nose. But getting to grips with it, obviously it's a lot quicker kart than like your corporate kart, so that's a lot to take in, as well as learning the new wet lines. So obviously for karting it's completely different to cars, so just trying to adjust to that and try and almost switch off some of the car side of things and being a lot braver, because obviously cars you lift and slow down before the corner, carry the speed through. As karts you just literally, you're pushing the speed through, which I'm not used to, but I'm getting there. So the second session was a lot better, being a lot more sort of assertive with it and also pushing it through a lot more and putting more speed into the corner. Having a lot of fun. Obviously it's quite slippy, so the back end is sliding quite a bit, so it's quite fun testing that skills. A lot better at it than I thought I would be. I thought it'd spin a lot more, but yeah. So the kart, just for some reason we lost the accelerator, so it literally just cut out, so we're just trying to fix that and then we'll be back out again. But yeah, I actually really enjoyed it, so yeah, let's see how we get on.
That's it, hold it around the outside. Good back.
So that's another session done, and last one before lunch. We're focusing on being a lot more kind of like assertive and a little bit more aggressive on the turning, which is working. So now I need to focus on mixing that with proper lines, because sometimes it's drifting rather than focusing on the line. So just learning how to handle the car and carrying that speed in a lot more and playing with the throttle more. But we got some heat into the exhaust, so that's always a positive sign. And yeah, it's been really good fun. So we're gonna have something to eat now and then round to the afternoon. Fingers crossed. The essentials: a sandwich,
Go on, drift girl.
So that's the end of the day. You can see it's just starting to go into a nice pretty sunset, and we are very cold, but I've learned a lot. We've not quite a bit of time off, so I'm really happy about that, and learned a lot of skills and the differences of handling a kart compared to a car. So a lot of things that will be applicable to cars as well, but also things that are gonna help me get better in the karting side of things. So I'm really, really happy with that. Really successful day. It was really good fun as well, even though it was freezing, but sadly it's cold to an end because the kart decided to break. But yeah, that was really good fun. So I'm definitely going to get in a kart again because I did really enjoy it. Something that's cheap and easy and a lot more accessible than obviously cars. So if you're wanting to get into motorsport, definitely check it out. And if you're near Lincolnshire, check out Tattershall Karting Centre as well. They are really, really good. It's a nice little track that's fun and friendly. So you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like or subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.